Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We've thousands of Primula just ready now. And our Primula, unlike an awful lot of primroses you see in flower at the moment, won't flower until spring. If they flower early, they're just going to die and do poorly. They've been forced. So please avoid them. If you see them in the shops in full flower now, don't go near them. But now is the time to plant them for spring. And the range of varieties we have, here's some of them. This is lace blue. Look at that, fantastic. You see them all in the web shop now. And this is the new Inara Tiger, yellow with red. And we got this peach Melba. And Inara, this is late white, which is fantastic. But remember, spring flowering. And this is bicolor blue and red. All fantastic, strong varieties that will do well for you. That's a lovely mix of colours there. And this is Jupiter orange. And you get the idea. This is lovely yellow with a red eye. Double pink, palazzo pink, really double and petally, really full petals. And palazzo wine red, look at that. Fantastic primroses, but spring flowering, not in flower yet. Ready to go out to you now for planting in pots and containers and beds. Inara bicolor, Inara blue. Really tough varieties. Inara flame, aren't they just, that's fantastic, just like a painting. Inara scarlet, lovely yellow eye. And crescendo, of course, bright red. Inara velvet, great big strong stems. And reliable, and Victoriana red, look at that, just magical. Yellow, lovely trim around on the petals. And gorgeous mixed colours, but not in flower yet. Ready to go out to you now. Just, there's so many sold at this time of the year in full flower. Look tempting, don't touch them, stay away from them. They will die and do poorly for you. These fellas are going to flower when they should flower in spring, but ready for going to you now. They're starting to form their flower buds and ready for off. They're great colour pots and containers, beds and rockeries for spring. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.